from 48 Karamthara constituency, and I had been in district in Bharatiya Janata Party minority Morcha as a district president. But on 20th of April 2022, I have resigned. I have given resignation from my presidency post. And today I have come here. First of all, I would like to thank Honorable our chairperson, Bupagra of this Motha party, regional party, and our respected our president, Motha regional party, and us MDC and the supporters and the workers of these Motha parties. Everybody, I welcome them and thank to them to have this opportunity in my joining in this party. First of all, I would like to say that question can be raised by everybody. Why you have resigned such a big post in the district? But you see, everybody in organization or in parties, simply we don't work or join. Or when you have to leave from that party, there will be some reason. And when you are joining, there will be some reason or objectives, vision and goal that everybody have got. But after joining more than 4.5 years, what I have learned in the parties, in Bharatiya Janata Party, whatever promise has been given to the people are implement only 30%. More than that, I would like to say that here, what are those promise has given to the people is not sustainable or cannot depend on those projects or work. What are the main projects and which people can enjoy and development can take really, and it will sustain in the future. Those things are just, I want to mention something that to increase the regas wages, something for 10 rupees, 50 rupees or 20 rupees will not develop the people. And raising of this old pensionate and other, when they increase by 500 or 600, by giving that, especially those who are in ADC, for the STs people and for others also, we can look for love and everything is there. We are in one family like brotherhood. All these things will be achieved in the future to come. That's why in BJP, I don't say that particularly I don't have any enemies or with anybody, anything, I don't have any problem. But still then, if we look the work of the parties and how it is going on, so you cannot lie on that. Whatever the promise is, all in vain. So what is the use of to be in that big post or in the state president if you are given also, nothing will improve. So it is only time waste. Due to that only today, I am very much grateful and happy to be in our midst and accepting us to be the worker, to work hard, to give this opportunity to me. Thank you very much.